My name is Mark. Welcome to my home. This is my 2015 Tab Max S trailer. It's been a while since I put an upgrade video online, but I thought I'd do it today because this is a very simple and quick one. But it's funny how this very simple upgrades seem to have the most effect. I watch my wife all the time, and she struggles with this, so I fixed it for her. Some of you may be noticing that my upper cabinets are a little different than yours. Your upper cabinets open from the bottom up. They open this way, so that when you're traveling, you open this up, all that stuff that's in there has shifted around and it falls out on the ground. The other thing that's a problem is that you have to hold the cabinet up while you're digging with your other hand in there. Mine don't do that anymore. Mine open down. Piece of cake. This is a very simple upgrade. All you have to do is this cabinet door is you're just going to take two screws off and you're going to turn this cabinet door 180 degrees. Just two screws and take the cabinet door and turn it 180 degrees. You're going to leave the knob alone. You're going to leave everything alone. You're going to leave the hinges alone. But this screw right here and this screw right here used to be up here and up here. So I'm just going to loosen that screw, turn the cabinet face 180 degrees and screw it in down here and down here. Now your cabinet opens up and down. The clip, this clip that was in this corner now needs to go up in this corner. It's a piece of cake. You just measure from the bottom here to where the clip was to make sure that it's in the same place from where the top is to where this is. And now that clip functions, holds this closed. The only other thing you're going to need is these little wire supports, and I'll leave a link to those in the description. They're $1 or $2. It's no big deal. They come with the screws, everything you need. So you're just going to install that at the base here and base here so that this comes out and stays flat. Now look at this. When my wife opens this now, she gets to look in to see if stuff has shifted around and is about to fall out on the floor. The other thing that she gets to have is she has now a work surface. So she's looking for things. She can pull things out while getting to things in the back. Isn't that nice? You have the cabinet stays closed, cabinet opens up. You've got both hands now. You don't have to hold the cabinet up with one of your hands, and it gives you a lot of space to work and dig for stuff, and it's just really nice. So just take your cabinet, turn it around 180 degrees, move your clip from this corner to this corner, put on a little support so it's really strong, two sides. Isn't that nice? My wife loves this now. It's made her life a whole lot easier. Instead of opening these from the bottom and having stuff fall out on the floor, it's just perfect for her. So some of the most significant upgrades are the easiest to do. This is just functionally just a few screws. 1 screw, 2 screws, 3 and 4 screws, 5 and 6. So you're just going to move the hinges up from the top. You're going to move them to the bottom, install one of these supports, and move that the clip. Well, as usual, have a good day and drive safe. See you in the next one.